Compact color MFPs often shrink performance and features to go along with a small footprint. But the Lexmark CX725 series offers workgroup level speed and durability in a small package that's as easy to use as a personal output device. Get your first page in as little as 5 seconds. The series can keep pace with the busiest workdays with output at up to 50 pages per minute and scanning at up to 60 pages per minute with advanced technology that produces straight and accurate images without slowing down. Driving speed like that is a quad-core processor and up to 4 gigabytes of memory, while long-life imaging components and high-yield replacement toner cartridges mean fewer interruptions and more continuous output. Professional color features help you nail perfect color at the design stage, so you'll send fewer printing jobs out. Lexmark's exclusive Unison toner supports lower energy use, long-term reliability, and consistently high print quality from the first page to the last. And an accessible no-shake toner cartridge design makes installation easy. Offering solutions to real-world needs is another way the series supports your business. You can add solutions tailored to your industry or workflow. It's all accessible from a color touchscreen that works just like your favorite tablet. Media loading and feeding are easier and more reliable than ever, too. Durable, easily adjustable universal input trays let you load envelopes or small media without worrying about misfeeds. And 650 pages of standard input capacity goes up to 2,300 pages with extra trays. A compact color MFP with workgroup level performance, durability, and features. The CX725 series from Lexmark.